Hello everyone, let's prevent a solution given this math problem, which is x squared minus y squared is equal to 65. So x squared minus y squared, this is in the form of a squared minus b squared, which is actually a plus b, a minus b, okay? So in this case, we have x plus y, x minus y, this is equal to 65, okay? And given that we have the condition that x plus y is greater than x minus y, okay? So from what we have here, we get factors of 65, okay? What can we multiply to get 65? So we have 1 multiplying by 65, okay? 1 multiplying by 65, this is equal to 65. We have 65 multiplying by 1, okay? We have also 5 times 13. We have 5 times 13. We have also 13 times 5. Okay. We have negative 65 times negative 1. We have negative 1 times negative 65. We have negative 5 times negative 13. And also we have negative 13 times negative 5. Okay. So remember, x plus y should be greater than x minus y. So the first condition from what we have here, 1 times 65, we find that 1 is less than 65, so this one does not satisfy the condition. 65 is greater than 1, so this satisfies. Then 5 is not greater than 13, so this one does not satisfy the equation, the condition. Then 13 times 5, this satisfies. And then we have negative 65 is less than negative 1. So this one also does not satisfy. Then negative 1 times negative 65. So negative 1 here is greater than negative 65. So this satisfies. Then we have negative 5 times negative 13. So negative 5 is greater than negative 13. So this one satisfies. But negative 13 is less than negative 5, so this does not satisfy. So actually we have 4 cases. We have 4 cases. We have 65 times 1. We have 13 times 5. We have negative 1 times negative 65. And also we have negative 5 times negative 13. So these are the 4 cases. Now, from what we have here, let's start with case 1. For case 1, we have x plus y, x minus y. This is equal to 65 times 1, okay? So that means that x plus y, this is equal to 65, and then x minus y, this is equal to 1, okay? Now, from what we have here, let's add the 2 equations, the first equation and the second equation. So x plus x, this is 2x. Y plus negative y simplifies. 65 plus 1, this is equal to 66. So divide by 2 here. So that x is equal to 33, okay? So from what we have, let's get the value of y. So x plus y, this is equal to 65. So y is equal to 65 minus x, which is 33. So y is equal to 32. Okay. Now from that, we have that x1, 1, this is equal to 33, 32. Okay. So let's solve case 2. Case 2, we have x plus y, x minus y, this is equal to 13 multiplied by 5. So that means that x plus y is equal to 13 and x minus y, this is equal to 5. So let's add the 2 equations. We're going to have x plus x, which is 2x. This is equal to 13 plus 5, which is 18. So divide by 2. So x is equal to 9. Okay, so the value of y, if I take this equation, x plus y is equal to 13. So x is 9. So y is equal to 13. Subtract 9, which is equal to 4. So that means x2, 2, this is equal to 9 and 4. Now that is case 2. Let's solve case 3. For case 3, we have that x plus y, x minus y, this is equal to negative 1 times negative 65. So x plus y, this is equal to negative 1, and x minus y, this is equal to negative 65. So quickly, let's hand the two equations. So we'll have x plus x, this is 2x, this is equal to y plus negative y, simplifies, and then we'll have negative 1 plus negative 65. So this is plus times negative, that is negative, so we'll have negative 66 divided by 2. Okay, so that means that x is equal to negative 33. Okay, so let's substitute this, the value of x plus y, this is equal to negative 1. So that means that y is equal to negative 1 plus that x is equal to negative 33. Okay, so we have negative 33 plus y, this is equal to negative 1. So x on the right hand side, it is positive. So y, the value of y is equal to negative 1 plus 33, which is 32. So that means x3, y3, this is equal to negative 33 and 32 for y. Let's solve case 4. For case 4, we have that x plus y, x minus y, this is equal to negative 5 times negative 13. So that means that x plus y, this is equal to negative 5, and x minus y, this is negative 13. Okay, so let's add the two equations. So we'll have x plus x, this is 2x, y plus negative y simplifies, negative 5 plus negative 13, this is equal to negative 18. Okay, so you divide both signs by 2, so that now the value of x is equal to negative 9. Okay, now from what we have here, that means that the value of y, that is x plus y, this is equal to negative 5. So that means that y is equal to negative 5, okay, plus 9, which is equal to 4. So that means that x4, okay, y4, this is equal to negative, that is negative 9 and 4 for y. So that means that we have 4 solutions. We have 4 solutions. So let's verify if these 4 solutions satisfies the equation. So let's verify that the 4 solutions actually satisfies the equation. Okay, so if you recall, we end that x squared minus y squared, this is supposed to give us 65. Okay, so let's substitute x1 in, for that is 4 x1 y1, which is 33 for x and 32 for y. So let's substitute these values. So we have 33 squared minus 32 squared. This is supposed to give us a value of 65. And it's true that 33 squared, this is equal to 1089. Subtract 32 squared, which is equal to 1024. This is equal to 65. So this is true that x1, y1 satisfies the equation. Okay, let's check for x2, y2, okay, which is 9 and 4. So let's substitute directly. We'll have 9 squared minus 4 squared. This is supposed to give us 65. 9 squared, this is 81, minus 4 squared is 16. This is equal to 65. It's true, 81 minus 16, this is 65. which is equal to 65. So x2, y2 satisfies the condition. Okay? Now, for x3, y3, which is equal to negative 33, comma, 32, let's check if this satisfies the equation. So we'll have negative 33 squared subtract 32 squared. This should be equal to 65. Negative 33 squared, this is equal to 1089 subtract 1024. So this is equal to 65. Alright, so x3, y3 also satisfies the equation. Let's solve for x4, y4. Okay, so we have x4, this is negative 9. Remember, if you substitute, this is negative 9 squared, subtract y4, which is 4, squared, this should give us 65. So negative 9 squared, this is 81, subtract 16, this is equal to 65. And that shows that x4, y4 satisfies the equation. Okay, so that means that we have verifying the 4 solutions, they satisfy the equation. So thank you for watching. Follow the steps, subscribe, and see you in the next video.